what would you say is the most exciting or up and coming application that you see at Arencibia?
In terms of end users, I think additive manufacturing. We've been talking about additive manufacturing as kind of a buzzword for quite some time, and we're finally actually beginning to see it reach commercial scale. Particularly in the aviation industry, we're starting to see qualifications for new and innovative ways of creating a wide range of different aircraft parts that have substantial benefits in terms of the quality of the product, the cost structure of delivering that product, that used to be kind of science experiments a number of years ago. We're finally starting to see those applications get commercialized at scale, and I think that's incredibly exciting. And it's nice to see an industry that has a lot of hype around it really start to make that kind of real world impact. So we're excited about a lot of different additive manufacturing applications, particularly as they relate to transformation in the aircraft industry.